Do you want PDF file to PNG images without any changes? If yes, download BitRecover PDF to Image Wizard software. It is a powerful and reliable solution to convert multiple PDF files to PNG images straightforwarded. First, let's check the Select File option and browse the required PDF file from the saved location. Then, click on Open button. User can also check the Select Folder option to bulk upload PDF files in a folder from the save location. Go to the Saving option list and choose the PNG option from the list. Click on Convert button and choose the destination path, and click on OK button to start the process of conversion. The process of converting PDF files to PNG is running, and you can check the number of files converted. The tool drops a complete conversion message after the process completion. Click on OK button. Trial version: convert files and add watermark on the images. The software will open the destination location of the resultant file. Here you can see the converted files.